Hi there, in this video I'm going to step you through some changes that have been made to the import file, which is used to order new credit cards. There's two new fields that have been added for the first name and the last name of the person that's going to be using the card. So let's have a look at what those fields are. Let's have a look at what happens first of all if you try and import from today using the old template. So here is an example of an old template. I just want to order a new card for this user, Captain Daphne, and we've just got two fields here for the name. We've got the embossed first name and the embossed last name. These are the names that's going to go printed on the card. And we're using the email address here of an existing user, so that's no problem. All the other details are right. So what I'm going to do is import this and see what happens. So we'll go to old import file. Select that, and what we get immediately in the checking data stage is two errors, which is just basically that the first name is a required field and the user last name is a required field. So those are the two new fields that have been added to the template, which are now required: user first name and user last name. So how do you go about adding this? Well, first of all, you need to just click on this button here. You can download the latest template, and the latest template looks like this, where you've got the embossed first name and embossed last name, exactly the same as before. You can choose the name that gets printed on the card that you're ordering. But you've also got these new fields, user first name and user last name. And these are used to state the name of the person who's going to be using the card. It's just a new requirement for cards. We just need to know who's going to use them. So let's have a go at importing this file and see what it looks like. Now remember, we are ordering a new card for an existing user. So let's see what happens now on the checking data stage. Well, first of all, it's happy with the data, good news. But on the data comparison stage, we just get here, we've just got a little message saying we supplied the name of Daft Dickin from our spreadsheet for the first name and last name. But this particular user that we're ordering a new card for actually has an existing name because it's ordering a card for an existing card holder of Daphne Dickin, and as you know, we can't update and change the name of the user via an import. All we can do is order a new card for that user, so you just get a little information message about that to let you know. But this isn't an error, this is just letting us know about that, and now we can just go ahead, complete the wizard. This is a test environment, so we've got some test data there, but there we are. The card order is now placed. We just wait for that to happen, and then that'll arrive in a few days' time. Good. I hope that's useful. So as I say, you've got these two new fields to be aware of: user first name and user last name. You need to supply values for those. You can leave embossed first name and embossed last name as they are to put for the name that goes on the card. And then you'll be able to carry on card ordering without any issues. Thanks so much for your time.